Right after Pakistan gained independence in 1947, the roads were almost empty. Very few vehicles could be seen. The very first cars that appeared were old British vintage cars, used by government officials and British officers before leaving the region. For many people, seeing a car at that time was a rare and exciting sight. In the 1950 seconds, Pakistan started to develop its own auto industry. International companies like Ford and General Motors set up assembly plants in Karachi, producing the first locally assembled cars in the country. This was a turning point for Pakistan's automotive future. In 2005, a major milestone was achieved when Atom Motors launched the Atom Revo, the first car designed and developed entirely in Pakistan. It symbolized hope for the country to create its own place in the global car industry. In 2022, Pakistan took another leap forward by unveiling the NUR-E 75, the country's first locally developed electric car prototype. This marked the beginning of a new era for clean and sustainable transportation. By 2030, Pakistan's roads will be filled with electric and hybrid cars, thanks to local and international companies like BYD setting up factories within the country. This future promises cleaner cities, advanced technology, and a major shift towards sustainable travel.